Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, have you seen the latest runway collection of Coach for Spring Summer 2025 New York fashion show? Oh my god, when I have seen their show plus on their Instagram account, I was blown away on how beautiful their collection is. That is why for today's episode, I'm going to share it to you guys all the bags from Coach latest runway collection. Yes, I have so many photos here. We are going to dissect the collection. We are going to do an in-depth look on these bags. I'm going to share it to you my thoughts, how do I feel about them, and perhaps do a prediction of what bags are going to go into production for spring summer 2025. So this is going to be a fun and exciting episode, so I'm inviting you all to please make sure you watch until the end of our vlog for today. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 5,000 subbies this year. I would really appreciate it. Also, kindly like, share, leave a comment down below, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, let us begin. I have categorized the runway collection into 5 categories. So first we have the backpacks, and then we have the Kisslock. For the Kisslock, guys, there are 2 categories. Of course, we have the giant Kisslock bags that are like clutches, and then of course there are the top handle Kisslock bags. Then of course we have the giant or oversized category, and last but not the least, we have the, of course, the classic Coach tabby bags. Let us begin. Alright, so guys, I have my phone here because I would want to share all the information for you. So first, let us discuss the backpack category. So on the runway, they have released a lot of backpacks. So the very first one is this cowhide leather backpack. So as you can see, the difference on this backpack, we are going to notice the classic Coach style. So this is an archival design, which is the Kisslock mechanism on the front panel of the bag. So the first bag here, the white or the chalk version, we're also seeing that there are lots of handwriting. So with this handwriting or this graffiti, we are going to see on the entirety of the Coach bag collection. So what do you think of this backpack? Then if you are not a fan of many graffitis like that, of course, Coach has released plain backpack style, of course, in the very smooth or very soft, supple leather. So here we have the black. I love, of course, this black backpack, and it comes with the Kisslock mechanism. So I love also the size of this backpack because definitely you could use this as an everyday bag, you could use this as a gym bag, as a work bag, even as a travel bag. So here is another look of the black backpack style, and we're also going to notice that Coach has also included the leather bag tag on this one. So next style of the backpack, we are seeing, it kind of reminds me of a Harajuku style because this leather backpack, we are going to see like so many stickers at the front side of the backpack. So we will still notice the Kisslock mechanism, then the many stickers. So how do you feel about the stickers? So personally, guys, I am not a huge fan of the many stickers on this bag, but maybe you are, you know, that Harajuku styling. So this could be the backpack for you. So here's another look. Then it comes in this very beautiful caramel or tan colorway. So this one also could be famous in the future because it's plain, very minimal, quiet luxury. And now, guys, let us move on to the next category, which is the Kisslock clutch bag style. So this is the giant version. So the very first one is in the color, I think is this the Merlot colorway, guys. And also we are also going to notice that most of the hardware here are like the brass hardware. So the very first one in this giant Kisslock clutch bag, we are also going to see the many stickers. So hopefully these stickers would not, you know, are really attached to the bag so that they are not going to fall off. So this is the another look on this one. So the many stickers such as the Rexy sticker, there are apple, there are stars, and the very beautiful look of this clutch bag, as you're going to see, it's a little bit on the oversized. I'm guessing this could be around size 30 to 40 centimeters lengthwise, and we're going to see it has a very beautiful slouch. And as we know, as of the moment, slouchy bags are still trending. If you are not a fan of the many stickers, Coach has also or would be releasing Kisslock bag, plain leather. So here we have like in the Merlot color. Definitely I am more in love with the plain version. So this is the side view of this one. How cute is this one? Very soft. We're going to see the very supple leathers, very slouchy, and we're also going to notice a smaller version of this one. So for example, if you feel like the 30 or size 40 is a little bit oversized for you, I'm seeing here a distressed version. So I'm guessing that this one is around size 25 centimeters lengthwise. So, and this one, guys, is the famous Coach signature right now, the distressed leather. As you can see, we're also going to see the burnishing, like the looking kind of vintage Coach bag rather. And then next on this Kisslock clutch bag, we had a very beautiful in color noir. So again, I am such a fan of the contrast of the noir leather with the brass or gold hardware. And we're also going to notice that this doesn't come with any stickers. So without any stickers, I'm feeling that it's very chic. You could wear it to an upscale event, you know, maybe you could wear it to fashion shows, to even to weddings, right? And then if, for example, if you're looking for that younger styling, then definitely you could go for the one with stickers. So here we have another look of the clutch bag. And then of course, they are also going to release the noir version with many stickers for the Kisslock giant clutch bag. So here is another look. Here is the side view, very soft. And also, it kind of reminds me of the Fendi first. What do you think? But again, Coach is not copying Fendi at all, because as we know, or if you are not familiar, guys, the Kisslock style, this type of bag is actually from Coach archival pieces, so they are going to bring it back. Also, guys, I have actually seen this from their last Runway collection. I've also seen from their creative director, Stuart Weavers. They have showed on their lookbook shoot these Kisslock bags. Unfortunately, it did not go into production. So there's a huge chance, guys, that these Runway bags, especially this Kisslock giant clutch bag, may not go into production. But again, guys, I could be wrong. Please don't quote me on that one. So here we have more looks of the Kisslock mechanism or Kisslock bags in the color noir. Then aside from the stickers, aside from the plain leather, they're also going to release in the chalk colorway with the overall graffiti design. So let us take a closer look on the graffiti. For the graffiti, guys, I am also kinda not in love with the graffiti because I'm looking at the writing. It's like a yearbook. You're having everyone sign on your yearbook. So this is what it looks like for me. So maybe again, if you are going for a type of a bag that looks very unique, this could be you. But me personally, I would be choosing the plain one versus the one with graffiti like this. It would also come in this very beautiful pink colorway, guys, bubblegum pink, very soft, very beautiful. It would also come in this mint green or apple green colorway. Alright, so for the next category, guys, we are going to discuss the Kisslock top handle bag. So for this type of design, as for the photos that I've seen so far online, for this design, they are going to release it in multiple colorways. Unfortunately, it would only come with the graffiti version. So first we have the noir colorway. So let's take a closer look and zoom in. So we're going to see the graffiti of this one. And we're going to see, okay, so the name of this bag as per the bag tag that it comes with is the Kisslock Frame Bag Limited Re-Edition 1989. Wow, so this is a limited re-edition. That's nice if they're going to put this one into production. Now, it got me a little bit curious because this is a re-edition and a very limited design. Okay, so that is the noir colorway. It would come also in the dark caramel colorway in the graffiti design as well. So that is why this bag has two bag tags. So one it says Coach, and the one where it says the name of the bag and that this is a limited edition. The next colorway of this one, of course, is in the chalk colorway, the famous chalk colorway as well. So again, with the entirety of the bag with the graffiti design, top handle. So I'm just not really sure at this point if this top handle graffiti bag would come with a crossbody bag. Next colorway in this like very beautiful Tiffany blue colorway. We're also noticing that some of the graffitis are in yellow, so it definitely stands out. Like for example, the star, the word Dollhouse Dreams written in yellow stands out. So what do you think of that one? And then of course, the next one would be in the color lavender or lilac. Next category, guys, we are going to see the oversized or giant bag. So this one, guys, is really cute. So again, my prediction that this may not go into production, or if it would go into production, it would just be reproduced in a very limited quantity. So just in case it would be open for pre-order, contact your CAs immediately for this one, because these are very cute. The very first one is this giant teddy bear bag, so as you can see. So for the opening of this one, it does have the Coach Kisslock mechanism. So I'm not really sure if you could stuff the entirety of the bag or just the Kisslock mechanism, right? So this is very cute. And just looking at the leather of this caramel giant or oversized teddy, it looks very supple and it looks very soft. So maybe it is a lambskin leather. So next one, we have a heart-shaped bag in the color noir. Just look at how giant and how inconvenient it is for you to carry. But if you are looking for a statement bag that everyone would be complimenting you on, definitely get something from this giant collection. So next would be this one. How cute. This is one of my favorite from the collection. The dinosaur bag. So I'm not really sure what dinosaur this is. It could be a brontosaurus, or I'm not really sure, but just look at this one. It kind of also reminds me of a bag by Tom Brown, but the Tom Brown bags, like their dog bags, are really expensive. So I'm guessing this one would be on the more affordable side, maybe prediction less than 1,000 USD. So aside from the dinosaur bag in color noir, they would also be releasing a giant lip-shaped bag in the black noir leather with gold hardware. So this one, I'm not really a fan of versus the other one. So my favorite, of course, is the dinosaur bag, and then of course the teddy bag, and then of course the heart bag. The heart bag, they are going to release it in color red. So if I'm going to choose the heart bag, black versus red, definitely I'm going to choose this, like a dark cherry colorway, because of course it's a heart bag. It would be nice in, you know, the red colorway. Alright, the last category I'm predicting this is going to trend in the near future would be the tabby bags. Yes, so let us discuss and take a closer look at the tabby bags. So I have noticed that they are going to come up, of course, in multiple colors, but in the three designs. So we have the graffiti, we have the plain version, and we have the sticker version. Also, guys, I have also noticed that these tabby bags, they look like the original, the OG tabbies, the structured ones, but these runway pieces are the softer version. So it's like a mix of the old and the soft tabby. So later you're going to see on the photos. So the very first tabby, let us take a closer look at this chalk colorway. So guys, also I would like to mention the giant bag charms that it comes with. So I'm pretty sure that these bag charms would be, or it needs to be purchased separately, but I need to get them ASAP once they are out. I am loving, guys, the star bag charm. It kind of reminds me of the Chanel star bag charm. Remember their Hollywood runway collection? Of course, their giant Coach tag. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. Also, another different on this design. So this time it would come with a chain shoulder strap. These chain strap are very unique to Coach, because once you see them, it's like, of course, you're going to think that these are made of leather, but these are actual chains if you are not familiar. And of course, this chalk tabby bag, we're going to see the design of this one is in the graffiti. So here's another look of this one. Really beautiful. And just look at the charms that it comes with. We're also noticing that they may release these exotic bag charms. I'm seeing the teddy is made in ostrich, and then of course the star is made in like exotic croc finish. So let us take a closer look of another one. So here we have another tabby bag in this design. So the color of the tabby is like in a dark brown colorway, and it would come with the Harajuku stickers. The hardware of this one is the brass gold hardware, and of course on the design it would also come with the bag tag. So we have the ostrich star bag tag, and it would come of course in the cowhide leather heart bag charm, and of course it would come with the giant bag tag as well. I really do love how they style these new bags. I'm really predicting that this is going to be huge in the future. Next, we have the plain black tabby, and the material or the hardware of this one is in silver. So let us check out first the bag tag. So the bag tag, as we could see, the teddy bear bag tag is in the exotic croc finish. Then I'm loving, of course, the star in plain cowhide leather, and of course the giant coach bag tag is also present on this one. So next, let us take a closer look. Other soft tabby bag. So we have, of course, still the same in silver hardware. And then, of course, the bag tag that it comes with, we have the star bag tag, and it would be in the croc finish. And of course, we have the brontosaurus dinosaur bag tag, and we are going to see that it would be done in the lizard skin or lizard leather. Hopefully, they're going to reproduce this one in just regular leather, because of course, if it's made in exotic leather, prices would skyrocket. Here we have another tabby bag that is carried by the model. So same colorway, noir colorway with silver hardware. And this time it is showing that the teddy bear bag is in the plain leather. And of course we have the star bag tag in exotic leather finish. So let's take a closer look. Here is one more look. And then, of course, another colorway of this soft tabby runway bag, it would come in the lilac or lavender colorway. So we're going to notice that it would come with two straps, guys. One chain strap and then one adjustable leather strap. So that is really, really nice. And then we're going to see on this photo the slouch or the softness of the bag. So it's not like the OG tabby bags. It would also come in this, like, let's take a closer look in this chalk colorway. So we're noticing that the star is made in croc finish. What do you think, guys? Again, it looks really slouchy. And last but not the least, in the noir colorways, we're going to notice that it's really soft. I'm actually loving the soft style of this tabby. It kind of reminds me of my multi-messenger tabby bag, because it would be easygoing, carefree, definitely easy to use. So I'm really excited once this bag goes into production and goes live for us to purchase. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? Guys, I would love to hear from you. What do you think of the new Coach Runway bags? Are you eyeing anything on this one? What is your favorite? Please do comment down below. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a dinosaur emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!